Because when we come to a point like this, we ask ourselves, why then do we spend so much of our time, so much of our resources, so much of everything, quarreling, disagreeing, insulting each other? Are we being good stewards?
Omokonyi w'omurabi kiama gia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni garuruko boria gochia sabarai gotwara chimbwa chingia.
Nasema katika hii shule ya Nyasio Girls ambayo tumekuja, shule changa ambayo inaanza sasa, tumezawadi wao kwa mradi binafsi wa kutengeneza kisima cha maji. Na hicho kisima maji inawasaidia kwa sababu hapa ni mlimani, watoto hawatakuwa wanasafiri kwenda kutafuta maji kwenye chemichemi katika mito mbalimbali.
Eskuru ya banyaruka ya Nyasio nigera chikonyoro mweso okora omuchando bwa mache asibabeire bakubeterirwa kugenda obware kurigia macha yo.
Egendo kianana giatoretaga igano kurigereria a budget yaito the program based budget for the financial year 2026-2027 elinde torenga kibuna bananchi ngaki input chaito tubenete tuso ase budget yega
abamenyi be county ya Nyamira weso kinakorwa ibirengereri byabo igoro ye budget ye county yo. Karibu omonchomo rigereria gochaki kionga chinsenye abarai bechisemi kurwesemo ya bumachoge bravo abarimu abanene bechisukuru chionsi chienseme yomba watana no mujumbe gwenseme yomusiko badia barongo okwanirechera chisemi chira chigokiniwa okwana sensemo yesukuru ya mukubo ego basemane igoro ibitambukiro bira chikomokegwa gokini chisemi bumachoge yonse olikitogiri bat copy orobotirwa sinchira yowekira.
Hapa pia tumelizungumzia swala hilo zima la security, nini tunafaa kufanya ili kuhakikisha kwamba mambo kama yale yaepukike na tusikuwe na hasara ya maisha ya wanafunzi.
Mambo ambayo amepanga mengi kwa kuinua miundo msingi katika shule zetu. Kwetu hapa Mukubo, hii ni shule ambayo iko na watoto 1004, lakini shamba yake ni 0.85 hectares. Leo hii mheshimiwa ametuahidi kwamba anatupatia 2.6 million ambayo itatusaidia tuweze kununua shamba kwa majirani ambao wako tayari kutupa shamba ili tuweze kuendelea kupanua shule na kujenga especially the girls dormitories.
Nguru waterega tembe kuwa sensemo ya Mukubo bumachoge bwa Borabu e county ya Kisii amalieta nje Gilbert Kobi.
Abegereri obwene bwa manyabantu nigo bakorokorobekana ime yo mucho Nairobi asokwe murunganira gatambukiro kyo murayibenso muskibira muruto kyo gochi kwa gachego tiyo korobogwene gochi asabarwaire bari babwate binyinyi bya para ensemo ya Laikipia burero bo bogendete koranda mono ime yense ya Kongo ukwana chingeke cyababatani abo nigo baterubuna Nairobi yo murayibenso muskibira muruto kubwaterana ne serikali ya Kongo kwa gachege tu ense ya Kongo bunenchera yemo yogutanga oburairo bwo kwenekigwa aigeme yensi ya Kenya.
No quarantine. If USA, an established, well-equipped nation, said they have no capacity to handle Ebola, what about Kenya, where people are still dying because of malaria? People are still dying because of amicable diseases. Bilharzia, typhoid, name them all. Then you are telling us that you are ready to handle Ebola.
William Ruto should not pretend he does not have the power to solve the current crisis we have. If William Ruto trusts the quarantine facility that will be built by America, how about we build it in State House? After all, State House is a fortified facility. It's a protected area that has round-the-clock medical doctors and surveillance under his beck and call. And we are also saying, if William Ruto does not have options, then he should receive the money and go build this facility in Congo. After all, why would you outsource a disease from the point of origin to countries that do not have that disease?
Warai bakora nomo konyi bo muraibe kyama ya Jubilee muske Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i nigo baikirana somo yegabo matanga yokomenya mongina boyo lingo mosolista General Ken Ogeto mongina Rukia Mandari Ogeto asomochi o Nairobi ukwana chingege cyo muske Matiang'i igaroko boligo cha sabara igotwara chimbo chire chingiya helikore tobomo unenchereyemo yokoleto mulembe haigeme yensi ya Kenya.
These things will come and go. They do go actually. They will come and go. The things we do, some things we spend so much passion on, hatred, and most times nonsense actually. They do go. What is important is the relationships we keep and the sincerity that we keep with each other. Because when we come to a point like this, we ask ourselves, why then do we spend so much of our time, so much of our resources, so much of everything, quarreling, disagreeing, insulting each other? Are we being good stewards? Nendo manene abalemie ano mongena tokumo saberenya saya mokongi kiara mangana na makongwe kiranye kene kiroro balibande tu ajirenka tu alode no mongina lakini keni rema nyasaye naro unaba kusiba otebanga ayabona abeire kendo to kora twenzi go to sabanya saye to mwegene na nduru jinkoro chitu saye
mo gavana we county ya Kisumu Paul Simbarati mono mokanyo ye helijobe bomba mirana na balimi bekemeliye kawa mobaso rero asigikarikia korekana ATC ime yomuchyo bosongo witania balimi chiminye baikirana na gukwanira chinchira mbolimi arachie kokonyeka kurwa sekemelikyo gavana arati ni gabwate kemeli chiribu wetani emeyemo gochi asa balimi abo bulikichu Wycliffe Tyson Manyara orobotirwa sinjira yobwikira
ase egekaro egokiaba ase ensemo ya ATC abalimi bekawa wetane chimya inye mbaikirana Omugavana Paul Simbarati omukonyi oye Elijah Ubebo aba MCA abalimi kurwa chinsemo au chie county ya Kisii mbaikirana Nigo bakwanera aria arengeto bulimi bwe kawa nabuna omulimi arachi kwigendereri
amagana ya obuywe kawa omunza wucho eja wuchotora iyo is a problem sikawe chikoniwa ako netu take ayumugira mo tutu kwa nomugira ya mamo sikawe chikoniwa Ifamsike olega chigagera wala kwa leo ya watu wanashika ndio mugaira se mujira kwa mutano tuwa kwa leo chima chinje yoto kwa ezi chimbo areja sala yero Israeli la rupa o mugawa koranje okoro amana oboyo ngobana kabala obone siyo bo wale wako organize amoya yakatesi yobo alego sub offices egera bali mweito bayinorage
Ewojere obuyibu alenge una kyabonge sarara bukyabanya tieko ewoje banyewe itwa kikabu kyabo ko kujonsi bikyabalemi kyabe kukigali kyabura usaba no wali mongoli abalemi
ekiagara ekahwa ntukare tu akanyero kiro musike muma etheriete riba nabandi emusike ekere yare gweta ari karangire omonto naroserie kahwa inanye yekera muina ari para muina igegotio kapakama
lakini ndio excellency tukiasubira abantu mnabarayi bateba n'ubwo ibibiki kahwa your excellency mheshimiwa makwana abantu bari bakubutora foshwa ibara bokyaba tobera abuna gutigera ngigase boke obuto umute otora buoto mutoyo
magagaye gikarekyo omugavana Paul Simbarati nigo abwatuka ebimeri bye kawa wetane chiribu emya eyamo gochi ase abalemi abo egesakukeria kya Ruiru 11 omugavana Paul Simbarati nigo atebabuna oligirie omonjo liri kurukinza moja Dubai omonene nainde obeire ange gokonya ekemerikia abukato aboigo ekawa ase arero buyo bwabo
kwena nebimeri bye ekawa emerito kwena nagaiga 1100 nindigiretwe kimotu ndorose nindu ebimeri enuso million kolingana na kelina promiseti abalimi bana kerana enkoboli chikura nindira mugoko chirinke na arwete dirina ansirete wone gabalimi batebirenga chia melire na nyore investor yem kor Dubai oyo na nyore tebe avocado already ata it invest 1.3 billion ase okro some of that avocado and then koina na lebi meli on table na that arole sinabeke a factory ende aga cha litongeri kera no boli mobole a factory ende ye kahawa tali esenge nje kahawa yoko nywe barusi egentege koro caffeine ekikorosi ebinyiwa bikonywegwa ensengima energy drinking
ase balia pare social media nigo ababoli abanyare kuyetumika buya ase koyonya gusi elio enyare ko chabumba
abana ba mintu muri social media market account yetu negativity teko tokonya matusta otokonya tigatorenga kitokoni gusi yetu tokonya abayiboli bayito toikonye ntukabanyene
ase obuyibwe kawa nigo ateba guika omuremi omonyene anyare kuibekera oborendi chingaki eserikali nero egendrete kurigia chinjera chugosiri oboyibi
all our major roads tigosoka kurusi we must make sure to amanyire ngakeke merige kurugai is an heavy investment but it is worth it ekiaira oboyibi oboitira abalimi baitu
korwa ATC ase wodi abo baracho nyali bali chache Kisii County nje Wycliffe Tyson
asama tuko makaiga bikoro byobosali nigo byarorekanire commentary birera asoke na kuburendi hanene hoko yikwa borokwa ne chinyomba cyabo cy'uburaro yo kurigero kyobugimenero pya county ya Kisii Brenda Ombati igabolira serikali kugwaterana gutinyo burendi ase chi sector cyonsi ukana imeyanya kwe arukubolia saba ibuli gukwanira abana babo asuko bane chimbo chingia agwetanga korwa sebikorwa byobosali muri Kitodipon asanya arobotiro asenjira yobekira
Nechingaki abantu bagendete gusanga ebirengerero aho igoro yo komenya n'ichimbwa chingiya abagwatani bejumuiya ya St Justin Nyakoe imeye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South yugotoke county ya Kisii ningo baumerana anene asogo sanga nabo igokonyora maegerio igoro yo kulinda abana babo anene kurwase chinka na kubaigeria chimbwa chingiya elio weatana na kurwase bikora byobusalya
abakristo baninto gatogenderera kunya kubusura chimbusuro chingiya asenyasaye ekila keke oro karolikiya
Nanyana bonigo arolekana ko sieme biara na kugikiria ebikoro byobusalya ebyanene byabere bikonekibwa asa matuka mange aitire kurumaega ngana atebirenga bune serikali na bere bya gutinyo burendi elio obokoreri bunyare ko ba obuororo anene bucha saba na inchi bali barase binyoro
abakora babera abange amangana yo kunishinyomba abera amange ebinte bititariga igoka nakeigwera akeigure terasi sei toichuni moisonde nyombe yabo n'ibintu areko rokagenda bakachitiri yonga tariga igoika ekarona yuna nande umuntu ke muntu nabone rutwe nyomba abana no mondo ko igogusiye ito security ne parte nero security parte kiteyo
uyo kurigia ekero kyobo women rep me county ya Kisii Brenda Ombati nigo akwane kerekyo na kubulia baibuli gosemia abarkiwa babo munenchire yemo yogokinya egesaku gyankyo ne chimbwa chigwenerete
omwana mokekera gukina muno ko mokini ne chimbu kiria gukina na kirocho na cyago chikutwara guchiguru gaiga tokaga ngo mwana uri yago chikutwara chimbu kuruguru gaiga uchakira gaiga guchiguru buna ko muntu mwana manyanga chimbu kiria chiko chaka kurunsiga iko tikatoba apa yani abasemya batanga ni kuruchinga cheitu ekera abana bagosoka disco gali bachipanyara kwa papa akoba abana barabarunge ne chimbu chiabo
ase nkwana ya ebo igoni garolekana kumwakire koko na gusegeta Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i oyurenge mugwaziri omukoro w'oburendi bwa ime oyukurikiro ky'oburayi bwense asaba igo abuli omugusigo chamo asoko babwatesya elio konekia nga nkonyora libaga ligwenerete asobochori bumwako gocha elio anyare kora ense ya Kenya kubwatekana n'omukyoye bwokora emiremo
ngatosabiro yo minto Fred Okengo Matiang'i nchino moto Fred Okengo Matiang'i
Kuriga asensemo ya Nyakoe ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South County ya Kisii ili anengoro kwa Dipon Asanya
kubali wanigo kwa ruru cha sawe bali kwene kibunango kwanira bara abana babo unanchere ya moyo kwene kibunango twara bale chimbwa chire chingi ya chinga kibakwira na seji skuru ukwana ime ya magacho ye bunge nene owimenerepo we county ya Kisii Doris Donyabule nolyo Nyamira Cherusha Mumanye nigo bayichanire bikora byemerero seji skuru ebyo byarurakanire komente kana mono asama tukagwangwiga chinga kecho Donyani garuru kuboli ago chia sebunge ne wetirichiko eliyo lirachikoro sicho sukuru chichibodinge bunenchereyemo yogokora ebikoro ebyo.
And I want to talk to parents. My dear parents, wherever you are, let's take our role as parents to advise our children, to talk to our children whenever they go to boarding schools. Those children need our guidance. They need to be taught on how to behave, on how to live with others, and for sure, this has been the greatest setback that we have had as Kenyans, and the forensic investigation should be done. I also want this afternoon to send my condolences to the families who have lost their loved ones, the very young souls who are going to be very vibrant in our country. We want to say pole sana for what has happened.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The issue of boarding schools, Mr. Speaker, we as members of parliament can pass a law that says something on boarding schools, which I suggest we should not have boarding schools because, Mr. Speaker, more deaths have come because of these boarding schools. You can all remember, honorable members, when our children opened school, we are told a certain bus has caused an accident, a certain bus, all the directions where our children go. That's number one, and safety for our learners. Number two, we must have suggestion box in our schools so that our learners can express their dissatisfaction, and the committee which will be formed can go around, Mr. Speaker, and get to know what the learners are going through.
Maiga skuru ya sekondari ya Wanyaruka ya Nyasi ime ya wadi ya chibe bunge ya North Mugirange County ya Nyamira kwendera gutwara homo chando wa mache ni gobono bali ne kibakokera maiga yo mwana siasa we jinseme cho Walter Chanua ulihira yogochi ko bakunyerege sime skuru yo nigo Chanua na kibuna amacha yo ni gara chokonye skuru yo nabo igo abantu betana ine skuru yo asabo igaro kuboli gochi asaba saibe county ya Nyamira kwene kibuna ubwata bare hebi bande bunenchere ya moyo koro beri asobo chore bonene bo mwaka w'ikirubero 2025 uri kitufatika Disemba na roboti rwasenjira yobwekira
kubatikana n'obukungu bunene bwa machase Kenyoro kya Nyasio anene ase skuru y'Abanyaruka ya Nyasio secondary eyo yachagetigwe emyaka emeke yaetire waigo erekegoro igoro nigo bare no gusemeria okonene kugochia kubekirwa egesima kya mache n'umwana siasa Walter Chanua.
Nimesema katika hii shule ya Nyasio ambayo Nyasio Girls ambayo tumekuja shule changa ambayo inaanza sasa, tumezawadi wao kwa mradi binafsi wa kutengeneza kisima cha maji, na hicho kisima maji itawasaidia kwa sababu hapa ni mlimani, watoto hawatakuwa wanasafiri kwenda kutafuta maji kwenye chemichemi katika mito mbalimbali.
Oguchia kubekwa kwa machase skuru eyo erase Kenyoro kya Nyasio imeye wodi ya itibo ebunge ya North Mugirango nigo yago keirwe n'abanyakenyoro abo batebere bana egurube yabo yobosombi bwa mache kubase obware obutambe nigo erache weika omwerio na kurwari bagarigiya aborokiwa gosoma
skuru erire matari wakoreko n'ikigyo koleta mache twarangeria abantu bari abantu bacha abatwa machi baburire ani Yesu nabaganyire buna kwaganyire muwa bagikuya machi ajiri ochiye ketwanyora kali amaji inje nanye chage tibaka form 3 ngamaya wotirire police wabaka bona igorende geserwa kunani ekelege sia kenene
ayaiga niguo muske wortachanwa oyokorigia obugavana bwa Nyamira ayakwanire chingaki anyorirwo usirwa okonene kurase nyumba y'omunyakoni yogocha kumubotesya asekerugo ky'obugavana ekero yatigaire inze yemetienyi 14 yoka erio obochorio banene bochie gokoreka
igongo promote mole ngende kero ky'obugavana na mwantebetie abakabaria mwatumite gocha chinyumba kyonsi ky'abanyakoni alira acha kumanyanga abanyakoni wazi chinyumba ili mtakuwa na candidate mmoja hata Nyamira mzima ikuwe na candidate mmoja. Na huyo mmesema ni nani? Mnasema ni nani? Mnasema ni nani? Hiyo nami nimekubali. Unajua mimi nasikia wito. Hiyo inaitwanga public participation, si ndio?
Ase ensemo y'abangina na barabwo nigo bakwanire ayaiga.
Mfano yetango kukara imayoji. I wish umugafana cyane wambaye tutu wako. Nse narugo ngetutu masaba atega fana nete namba ibere nakurbo ngetutu namba ifoto nakurbo ngetutu namba inye narwete ngetutu inse niwona alekora ndio mondo chikura jinko na kongenda nyawo tebuna yaya nse mwatoko yaya nse mwatoko ngaza komolidia nse na moligeti ngateba na raundi ene na inse tingalikola pesa serikali entaji
chingaki echecho nigo chanwa asabirikira oyomo kubwata ibibande na boigo chikura bona enchira eyemo yokuyarigania boikiranu bosyo bobochorio boiga bo mwaka ugocha.
Ni waombe watu wote wa Nyamira wale hamuna kadi tulifunga general registration, mass registration ilifungwa, itarejea tena, lakini bado kuna continuous registration. Hiyo sasa kila mmoja yule hajashika kadi anaweza kwenda kwa constituency IEBC office alafu anafanya registration ya kadi. Vijana mko kadi? Mko kadi? Wale wasio nayo tuambie waende pale Kerenyo hapa North Mugirango watafute IEBC office wapate kuregister. Wale ambao hawana vitambulisho tunaomba serikali iwaharakishie.
Hingo reporter Getembe koroiga nyasio yego toke meye ward ya Itibo ebunge ya North Mugirango county ya Nyamira. Inje Fatigad Hisemba
Itukilimo lyoka magega ya wananchi kuru Nyamira guchingira litikuria madaraka de igati beso kirena komo chigitambukiro ky'umugabano Nyamira guteikira na somo yuguyuga abananchi abo bakuru mu kwerre wadi ya Gisimani go bakagirite gucia kwerre njira chipara cyabo kiraroswe gati ya magani ande kurwa somo gabana amo n'abarayibande be county asesema yende abananchi abiga abakurwa sekanyureke igo baganiri kubekirwa estima eli abanyare kwegendera limuri kitobol kapukara n'urubutura sinjira yobwikira
litukilimo lyoka magayo guchingira kwelitukulia madaraka demensega ya Kenya mujega okorekanite me county ya Nyamira sinsemo chali abole bunge ya burututu bwa Masaba nigati abananchi kurwase orongorega rwebunge ya burututu bwa Masaba na nene kurwase wadi ya Gisimaba esokire na koro kigotego kwabo kwatikana mu negetambukiro cy'umugavana irete asugutekera na sajiga eli guchingira litukeliga
tukatebigonga omo gavana ito Muskenya ribo ngochare ato tubie egera tomotebia bokongu tobwate na inde nera totebia magendera akire mutwe na ere muno mugavana ito gwe county ya Nyamira watu waige toro ntomoro chinonya ndatu metamu wakilishe amo no mo MCA bweri wa ward nere nero chetobwe kana CS ikuno kumisana tu akumiri asengenjo ndoikorora bona astogo jigochi onye mugavana buna omugaka bwenga ta kunyara goto direct astogo jigochi ndoro jigose mugavana naroro yani is just tore bosa igembe
kulingana na baraboni ko bagende ko bakumbungere ko batikana muno kumbi ko bagendera ko bakumbi wasegeke getambe ani ko balenge no botobonene komurira umugavana we county Austin Semechiga kulire ne gukonere ko rye kibare cyagende ko bachiko bo mucando munene anene ase ewadi yiga ya Gisima
tuchandegete para obolemie tundu bali no tubwate tukalemerwe para nganko bekerutoro muchanga ntobekeiri ekerembure tuete tuchandegete tukali koire echae para ase tundu bali etayo twaumuranso obunyansi igoro egari yacha yatupimira
igo baganiriye umugavana kubatana muno mu MC kurastin Semechiga cyegwadi ya Gisima kwane kibona ngoro ishabale kibara wekirano nabo kuchibeka emara mu bunenchire yamo baranyoro bwete kubuya ili kuruhusia bimeli byabo chinsemo cha mugondo unenchera ya moyo kwegendereria
binte binge nkurubire kururoche mata byobolemi into bana paka no basombe ka bukobora atemire kubeke birero bito mono sana arange guchike KDD totebia SS nere ya renge tokona chubune ntu abarimi SS ye account ye gache kanyeire igo bakerusie samangana ye chipara kakin kobori gabuna nyaribo buno mugaba na Nyamira county rende kairete SS ye tokurwari KDD uri kirwe chakekero umutienyi ngirenda tatoroseri chipare echi chinyare gweteka tware gusabirisia ebintu byito bigo tokonya gwetera soboremyo
gakitororera mabera mutu agachere para egere twao ni oborimi bweito twanyora abakarani bacha batugurie chae mapema twapima ekere mbuleta tuetin tubwati magoro tokona kwenda kuchiare tokona koira chae igabarai baito bali morororo twabasabire mwanje motoroserie para egere nalitora rora magenderera
asensemo yende nigo besokire na kugendera kwe murungalire kubatekana muno musuntekeribe oyo ogendere kubogoko basinseme chigasegeka asibona besokire na kumubule muyumbe borogongorwa bugitutu amasaba musike life umbaneke seiro kwani kibunango kirinara sekenyole kigana kuri obokungu bwestime ububabwate iyo kubakolera na wego banyorobora bumna chinsemo chinde una bakwerera
abane bachandegete ntobwati amaguteta yankarasirete bone to chandegete to guchikorigi buna bona bolete abana basinyuinki bagosomera kaki tobekera omurero egero borabu na intu esege tueke gieito intu totabwati omurero bone to kumetinga abarai twachoreta ababe na kikekare kaki mwanje motoretera omurero
stime bado tebeti kare sana ngako gento tware gukubuli koranje estima stege tundwali ya liga igerange estima nerange tware kubuli koranje otokorere gento gya ishima otobekere estima ye igera konye na kinga kicha butuko bwibiskiru bino bwa mentrikanire bine tokonye at least estima na konye sera mina bana bagosoma skuru abana bataka kora gosoma mini aba abantu bali barwelete amangana kugura maguta ntokonyara igestima yale tokonya satambe sana
Ginko reporteri gatasene kya ubwanjete kya Gatembe kureiga imeye wadi ya gesima ebunga ya bagatutu wa Masabe kaunti ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Sarwati ruma nchumo rikilia to nyoro mutimo komoke to kwirana tugende ne kyunga sinchira yobwikira
Dalila Busungu Medical Center igoba bato bukoreri aho buno mbawate pharmacy iyubata mariogo onsi mbawate lab department asibakulingolia amarwire au mbawate bukoreri bwa ICU ule bwa theater guse radiology mbawate bukoreri bwa oncology kukora bare dialysis mbawate emergency wing na wigo amaliga nyabuna yeguru asibu babwate maternity wing igati obukoreri bondo bunge nigo bagotoka sebara ya Kisi Kisumu Migori imeyumuchiriga omusongo asamange bakeresi bigotera siti namba cyabo 0111964576 gose 0742328552 kwabirgo kolija road show track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo iratigo mu musobo cyase abategereri ultimate road show track experience niyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabirgo kolija track yiga ya road show iyo rakolere product launch use emisangerekano ya gisiasa brand activation gose emisangerekano ya cooperative egatie chirudisho chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere track yibwate bagariya eyekerero na bwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiriya nigo liri ya kigima eriri chunjukire irigo kwana nechinguru na bwigo likira bantabange nigo babwate chi DJ Janjere chi MC na bwigo track yana boko jitumika asobokorera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsemo na bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amuneji county chonsi imeyensi ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street endeyonsi chingaki ubunjeli bwago ne biasara byakinirwe aka esimu gwetera namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chiga eldio oikera bantabange
Karibu na indo mwanchomo rigereria magega yegetaseni kyagetembe kumurekero boibe wechiwaya chestima ase kenyoro kyurwake nigobono mu manager we Kenya Power ase kaunti ya Nyamira sokire na gukwanira ingoro yenganeyo ukwana chingage cyo ni garuro kubole gochia saba nanje waneke bunankolenda bale chi transformer ne chiwaya chestima unenjeremo yo kweneke bunankonyara bali umuriro chingage cyo bigo ni garuro kubole gochia saba gambi kubeka byara bali bagendete gwikirani obusali obwo
Marita Nangoro ku Engineer Dominic ndiye kikunje county manager ya Nyamira twabere tugocandika na mangana vandalism no kuiba chiwaya no kuiba chi transformer no usali ebintu byonsi by'omuliro ikenege ntugana nyago tucanda se nsiga ya Nyamira na chinze muna borabu yabere ne ko tucanda wanda yantu bwate kesi kia orwaki chiwa chebetu njabere ko ba report ndese wabisito akira cha bice bigo tokana tobateye cyabo cyaba report ya police banore abstract ikira twana rabo change ine process to gukora katwana rako abstract twana rabo change wa yecho so nto bwate plan yo change chiwa yecho yo kwanda chiwa chi nyinga tobeka akini ntango basaba abana inchi ba minto estima ne yakero monto estima kera yibiru iwa fekir kero monto nabantu abiga bari kurwara nabantu baramona itu kera mukono bara mubwate information enda yo nsirana yo dokonya na report ese intuntu bwate security kera banare ko ramangana yiga banare ko bwata abantu abakora vandalism yechiwaya ne ki transformer cheito se transformer ya Nyamatoki ya batenga ngowire tukaruse transformer igera tunyare ko ne konya igera tarabu ntwanyara korosi line yiye kababu yetu kanetene nibiye tukorosi kidogo tukabeke mete ya concrete era permanent ntwabeke transformer yo on Saturday one more na ororo wabende turabasabe please munyara utendera chiraini cheito chiraini chige chikobasa kero monto kero ya sarekire kero monto ga ko affected ono no kubasaba munyara gutukonya asamangana vandalism ntoko nara koboro kiras tonyara kurenda estima wone estima ne yaino inyumura nyara kunerenda kuno gusaba kwa Kenya Power
abamenye be county ya Nyamira ni gobeso kelit kuli rero ukwanere goro ye budget ye county yo ukwana chinga kecho ni gobaru kuboli gochia saba MCA weneke bunankoligere boli bijya he budget ya sokwane kibuna omwananchi ho Nyamira na chigo konye kasibe gobaru kubolia gochia saba MCA kurusibe sa chiabegetu ase body yabali bale no bolema nakojebeka ase wizara iyo bochenu
Egento kianene giatoretaga igano kurigereria a budget yaito the program based budget for the financial year 2026-2027 elinde torore ngakibuna abananchi ngaki input chaito tubenete tuso ase budget yega a budget yo nigebwate ebekire chi billion 9.8 egento kiatukunire obosigwe itone as a revenue eyere allocated 165 million. So kulingana na PFM Act etwarorire nga kulingana nemeshahara gochiwakanwa eyuere 3.8 million account government of Nyamira tebwate ti ekigewenete gokorekana the 35% threshold of the wages and the personnel emoluments ase itokorange budget yibwenete ba increase the revenue so that naturachi gokorachi development ase county yite ya Nyamira.
Njasa marieta ngoro kujose wosuto korwase ngoro present korwase kerenyo ward njege ntonda sabe asa abaisimi bo baitekera bagujigwete ase budget ye bagujikora ngote mabate mekorigere limona ase elite tibesa njiro bakobeka gujisi department ekinde ekibakobeka orore kitabwenereti lakini elite nkoro yebekire kibesa kinge gunese kya mariogo ingo basaba bamente kibesa ekyo abantu bagenda nyagetali banyora mariogo baruwariwa
abese sinchire program jire una immunization matano health care tirabe kurukibesa ase program ya health and the health is wealth to aligere twarona a board nere bago ya disability ya bere bago dana ngo exist ebegere kibesa lakini gato kuligere for the last 2 financial year board they will exist but lakini banye beke the budget kibesa gidogo sabagirusi wororo because ndubwa the board ya disability kibe ku to the health service as a disability board banye beke the 5 million. Number 2 ndubwa the twarode bago dana septic tanks ngibwenda kwagajwa in MCA services yiko 70 million. 70 million a septic tank egero kubagira igana bokorone kere wode oja kwagu kere office ye wode oja kwagu 3.5 million septic tank kie kwagaju na 3.5 million kibese 70 million tigajira the back to support other department because that is misallocation intoroche kwerende babige kibese una county branding unapata ite ku brand account yeito yes the kale sana you know ekero devolution yes up to now this is over actually 15 years tokogenda ingidogo brand account tibeze jirwa bege 30 million tigachie ndase disabled people
shungu kwanda mono is under women ekero tukuri account budget ito ya Nyamira women wamesaulika asengenchi yake abaswati arimo afana lepo taigwa road under GPF and development matakire allocation ya batakoriribuya because they are being allocated na 500,000 ejuye taisaini women went ko bagokora safe field. I request the county government that the budget ba consider women na barusa mkashi echibekire tukiangalia kama account branding 300 million is a lot of money echibe consider the budget ya women.
Ikiunga chigosori nige kochenene ye timu ya baswati ya Kenya Harambee Starlets Bernard Hodemba nige aliganire ase chinko cy'ubusani ekyo kirachokorekana ensemo ya Lusaka Zambia gucakira isarikisano nemo weka chitariki kienda Kenya igera chiko gosori ne chitimu gati ya Zambia, Lesotho amo na Zimbabwe.
I'll start with the purpose of the friendly is to make sure that we build towards AFCON. It's good that we're also participating in this window. Begins on 1st, ends on 9th, 2 matches, 1 match on 6th of June, then the second match on 9th of June. We shall be traveling to Zambia and we shall play 4 nations friendly. So we're just hoping to get 2 good teams because we shall only meet 2 teams, and we hope to really see where we are, and for the purpose of readiness of AFCON. Right now, I'll say the mood is good. We still don't have all the players until today because the window opens on 1st. So teams are releasing players. Most of the teams, especially outside the country, are releasing players from today. We are looking forward to see them also in the camp. Let me say, this is the second year since we started facing this with foreign-based players that there's a time we missed Inez and Lillian. We are going to miss them again, unfortunately, because of work permit issues. They are working on them. We were hoping that by today they'll be done and they will join us, but the team has just confirmed that they're still working on it. So they're going to miss this window.
Training imekuwa poa, vile tulianza tukiwa down, lakini the more tuna train kila siku tuna improve every day.
Chinga kicho chiboigo hetimu y'abasacha ya Harambee Stars jasoka litsukularero kogenda ensi ya South Africa asera chikogosoli chigosoli Harambee Stars nigera chigosoli bere kunenchera yamo yogotingi etimu yo.
The two friendly matches came at a good time because it was just the season is finished. And we have a lot of new Kenyan base players that's playing abroad and that we haven't had an opportunity to watch them, unfortunately. So now this gives us a good indication to see the levels and the quality they have compared to previous teams that we've had. Then it just added more to the potential that the team has, and by the time September comes, when it's the African qualification matches, and you see the group that we have: South Africa, Guinea, and Eritrea. So I think we want to be ready, because even though we already qualified, but we want to also feel like we deserve to be there because of the quality that we want to have in the group stages. So this is a good opportunity for us to see a lot of them, and the best thing about them all is I think everybody is under 25, so it's a very young squad, and that's what we want, good quality top young players that can represent Kenya, and then so there's some continuity even one day, the day that we gone, but we will leave this national team with a good crop of young players, and even more young players coming through the ranks as well. So that's the purpose of this two friendly matches.
Na gwikira kabo monchumo rigerera no gwikira omweli obwa mangana maya yekiunga chinsenye cyabona butiko eliterane Cyrus Nyakundi asensa mo yimenyereyo igarenge Wilson Makoli magayi kamera igarenge Wilfred Matundura oyoneke kibica na muri yo gukira sinchira yo gwikirano igarenge Elvis Manyara na gusabire twaruburigerera nabayigo butiko burobya.